Welcome back to Whimsy Tricks, where we explore practical tips and tricks to help you navigate through life. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic: how to suppress your appetite in order to avoid getting sick during the holiday season, all while being frugal. We understand that the holidays can be a challenging time when it comes to maintaining a healthy diet. So let's dive into some cost-effective strategies to help you stay on track. Mindful eating. One of the most effective ways to suppress your appetite without spending much money is by practicing mindful eating. Mindful eating means paying attention to your body's hunger cues and eating only when you genuinely feel hungry. By tuning in with your body, you can avoid unnecessary snacking and overeating during the holiday season. Absolutely. One simple technique is to drink a full glass of water before each meal. This not only helps to hydrate your body but also creates a feeling of fullness, reducing the chances of overeating. Plus, it's practically free. Another tip is to slow down while eating. Chew your food thoroughly and savor each bite. This allows your brain to register when you're full, preventing you from overindulging. Balanced meals and portion control. Maintaining a balanced diet is essential during the holiday season. Let's discuss some frugal ways to achieve this. One cost-effective strategy is to focus on incorporating more high-fiber foods into your meals. Foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are not only nutritious but also keep you feeling fuller for longer. They are usually more affordable than processed snacks and desserts. Additionally, portion control plays a significant role in suppressing your appetite. By using smaller plates and bowls, you naturally limit the amount of food you consume. This way, you can still enjoy your holiday favorites without going overboard. Affordable appetite suppressants. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, our appetite may still be difficult to control. That's where affordable appetite suppressants come into play. One natural and budget-friendly option is drinking herbal teas, such as green tea or peppermint tea. These teas can help curb your appetite while providing numerous health benefits. Another frugal option is incorporating spices into your meals. Spices like cayenne pepper, ginger, and turmeric can help suppress your appetite and boost your metabolism. Plus, they add flavor without adding calories. Budget-friendly physical activity. Lastly, let's talk about how physical activity can help suppress your appetite during the holiday season, without breaking the bank. Exercising doesn't have to be expensive. Simple activities like walking, jogging, or doing bodyweight exercises at home can be just as effective. These activities not only help you burn calories but also regulate your appetite. Additionally, finding ways to stay active during the holiday season, such as playing outdoor games or volunteering, can distract you from mindless snacking and keep your appetite in check. Absolutely. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only feel healthier but also save money in the long run. Absolutely. It's all about finding a balance and making conscious choices. With a little planning and creativity, you can maintain a healthy lifestyle without breaking the bank. That's right. And as a bonus, when you prioritize your health, you're less likely to get sick and miss out on all the holiday fun. So, let's embrace these frugal strategies and make this holiday season a healthy and enjoyable one. And don't forget, it's not just about the physical aspect but also about the mental and emotional well-being. Taking care of yourself and practicing self-care during the holidays is crucial. Absolutely. Self-care can include activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or even taking a relaxing bath. These practices can help manage stress and emotional eating, which often leads to overeating. That's a great point, host. The holidays can be a stressful time, and stress can often trigger overeating or cravings for unhealthy foods. So, finding healthy ways to manage stress is key. Absolutely. And if you do find yourself indulging in some holiday treats, remember to enjoy them in moderation. It's okay to indulge occasionally, as long as you maintain a balanced approach. That's a great reminder, host. It's important not to beat yourself up over occasional indulgences. The key is to get back on track and continue with your healthy habits. Exactly. So, let's make a commitment to ourselves to prioritize our health this holiday season. By implementing these frugal strategies, we can suppress our appetite, avoid getting sick, and enjoy the holidays to the fullest. And don't forget to share these tips with your friends and family. Encourage them to join you in staying healthy and frugal during the holiday season. That's a great point. Let's support each other and create a healthy and happy holiday environment for everyone. And if you have any additional tips or suggestions, please feel free to share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Absolutely. Your input is valuable, and we can all learn from each other's experiences. Together, let's make this holiday season a time of health, happiness, and frugality. Thank you all for tuning in today. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future videos. Take care, stay healthy, and have a wonderful holiday season.